the hardest part of today is probably going to be surviving a 4.5 hours of sleep. I haven't really said good morning the last couple of days. Good morning. Whoa. Alright, I am working with Trek, with Fanciness. I'm working at the bike shop today, which is good because the World Cup's on this weekend, which is really getting really pumped for. I don't sound pumped right now. I'm actually really exhausted, but let's get this underway. Alright, I'm gonna go and work for a little while, hang out here. I'll be done in 3.5 hours. That's alright. I'll talk to you guys soon. Can I say to you, thanks for nothing? Oh yeah, no worries. That's good, isn't it? Nice when someone you work with appreciates it. Yeah. Boy, you're too ugly. See you guys. See ya. Well, work's done. That was a good couple of hours. Headed to upload today's vlog. Look, Tor's kicking my car. Oh, everything's about to fall off. Oh, that's not good. Oh, it's getting beat up. Thank you. We're still having major internet problems at home. So I've just come to Dad's work. He's got my laptop and stuff here. I'm just gonna upload the vlog. I'm just eating some protein bars at Dad's work. We're watching a bit of YouTube. I was kind of hungry. I'll be leaving here shortly to head home. I got work again tonight at the restaurant and then I got a few days off. So this will be like the end of a bit of a grind, I guess, or like a work bender, you could call it. I don't know. I'll speak to you later. Can you just take that home with you?
Take it home, yeah. I will. Once uploaded.
Oh, well, when you go home this evening.
So I just do that, enter, return, pick it, see if it's update. Okay.
Yeah, well, I'll text you when it's done.
Alright.
Because I'll get a message.
I've just got 25% now. Alright. See you mate.
Bye bye. I tell you what, having internet is so important. I don't know, not really. Like it is for the stuff I like to do. It's just so frustrating when it doesn't work. Anyway, we'll get there eventually. For now, I'm gonna go and cruise on home. I'm gonna eat some lunch. That was just a snack in there. And then I just wanna, oh, don't go, it's going foggy. Apparently I'm home. It's good to be back. I like it. Not sure, but I want to grab some lunch. I haven't had lunch yet. There's some curry and rice. Getting done in just a sec. I'm at like the point in my life where if I don't eat right now, I probably won't eat before I go to work, and then I'm gonna suffer and die. So let's eat. There was a curry in the fridge. That's it. Yeah, Mum made some of this yesterday. Curry and rice. So I'm gonna eat that. I'll probably spend my afternoon, like the internet's kind of working, so I'll probably watch a bit of online stuff. I don't know, really, it's just something that keeps me going. I don't know, really. That sounds so lame. I know. Don't judge me for it, but I need a plate. I had a bit of a comment the other day talking about like just eating really healthy and like a vegetarian kind of slash like a veganish eating habit lifestyle thing, and why I'm not really eating like that anymore. My channel really started as like a health kind of channel because that's what I was like. I was right into that zone kind of thing. At the moment that's really slipped away. I just want to clarify that like I still eat basically vegetarian, like I don't really eat meat or anything, but that doesn't mean that you're eating healthy if you eat like that. There's still so many vegan and vegetarian foods that aren't healthy. I'm not saying that I'm eating healthy, I'm just saying that I'm still eating that. Right, I have 1 hour and 2 minutes, that's 62 minutes until I've got to be at work. It's, I really want to ride my bike to work. Alright, let's just jump on the computer. Come on, let's do it. We'll do it together. I'm just gonna check the radar and see what kind of rain's around. I just don't want to get. Maybe I'll just take a rain jacket. Swapping shirts to go to work. This one's just a bit more comfy. I think I'm gonna leave to go to work in just a sec. I still got just under an hour, but I missed my beach time yesterday where I ride up and I sit down on the beach for like 10 minutes, so like theoretically that I owe myself like 20 minutes. I was just about to cruise out and it started raining, man. Like not just sprinkles, like actually raining. Like I'm kitted up as well. Like earphones, like I'm set. My bike's even back there. I don't know if I just risk it. Do I just go for this bike ride in the rain? I'm just worried that if I don't want to crash again and I'm taking this big camera with me, getting it wet would be like the death of me, to be honest. I'm super scared of crashing today. Really scared actually. If I lose a front wheel, man, I'm probably gonna be pretty unhappy. This is like Death Alley, this thing. Alright, real easy, take it slow. Oh, I can feel it being very slippery already. Just have to be careful. Get around this corner. Looks like we're alright. Just gonna take these ones easy. Just stopping off at the beach on the way to work. Got this little thing going here, a bit of a time lapse kind of. Not that you guys probably even care about the whole behind the scenes thing, but it's something I want to kind of look back on. So I'm just shooting that. I'm really worried that's going to fall off, and if that falls off, there's sand. It should be alright, hopefully. But yeah, no, it's seems to have stopped raining. Like it's blue sky and all now, that's pretty nice, I guess. I'm just kind of hanging out. I was just texting some people, trying to organise plans for the weekend coming up, and that's basically it. Just hanging out on my bike. Gonna get on my way to work. Today's been a grind, man. It's actually felt like a grind the whole day. Wake up, I've not much sleep, go to work, have a bit of a break, go to work again. That's grinding it to the max, I think. Like I feel like I can maybe complain a little bit too much. It sounds like I'm complaining, but I'm really not. Like I'm very appreciative of the opportunities that I've been given. The bike is in the safe zone. I'm gonna roll into work. I'm gonna catch you guys in a few hours probably. Not much on tonight, just heading home. So, let's go and pump it out. Nearly finished.